So if I was given a GardenWorks gift card, I would probably get a start on my setup for my spring seed starting. I'd get myself a heat mat, I'd get myself a light strip, and then a hanger to hang that light strip.
If I had a GardenWorks gift card, I would buy one of these beautiful Pathiopedilum orchids to add it to my orchid collection.
If I was to receive a GardenWorks gift card, I would buy a beautiful planter. I live in a condo. It's got everything I could want. Beautiful primula, a nice lemon cypress with a fragrance, and these cool little battery-operated lights that I can put on it to dazzle. And after Christmas, I can take it apart and I've still got a beautiful planter.
If I were to receive a GardenWorks gift card, I would use it to purchase one of these beautiful hellebores. Very collectible. Traditional Christmas rose in the white, beautiful winter flowering, or a nice variegated, lovely deep burgundy, unique flowers, beautiful for wintertime.
If I was to get a GardenWorks gift card, I would choose a hummingbird feeder heater.